Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamoje. Welcome to another episode of how to design a t-shirt in Canva. My name is David. I'm the owner, founder, What's a T-shirt Design. Let's get straight right to it. I don't want this video to be too long, so without further ado, let me get straight into the design. So I'm going to be designing on canva.com. It's going to be a very simple picture in design, nothing more, nothing fancy, nothing complicated. But before I go straight right into the design, please, if you need to get Canva Pro so that you can enable the background feature, the remove background feature, please check the first link in the description to get that. Without wasting much of your time, click on create, custom dimension 4000 by 500 and 5000 by 400, and you press create design. It's going to create a new Canva, a new space where you can design on. So without much time, I'll just, now as you can see, it's done. So I'll just come to upload image or video. I'll go up to pictures and I'll get my ghost. You can see I have a ghost. I'll just bring it into okay, it's telling me the picture is too large. Okay, got it. So I'll just work on this and get back to you. So we're back. So now I've adjusted the image. So now I'll click on upload ghost 1. This is it. So I just click, it's going to upload here. Just watch this section. See, it's uploading. So after it's done uploading, it's going to appear in this section. Canva is a very simple tool to use. It's not complicated. It's a simple online tool. It's not like Photoshop, which you have to buy then download. For Canva, you can use your Chrome browser or any of your browser you wish to use. But to enable other features like super high quality, no background image, I'll tell you to try Canva Pro. So there's a link in the description. You get 1 month on me. If you're not too bothered, if you're not engrossed with any other thing, you can check and get your 1 month free on me on Canva Pro and enjoy free background image without stress. You get free background image. Sorry about that. So now the ghost is uploaded. I'll just bring it onto my Canva. As you can see, it's on my Canva already. I don't need to increase it. As you can see, it's quite big. But if you notice, it's on a white background and it's mostly white. So I'll just change that, or I can leave that. I don't need to change it since that's a black heading. So the next thing I just have to do is to save it. You can see, always save in PNG, but you can see you can't use this now because you need a free 30-day trial. So check in the first link in the description, get 30 days free on me to use Canva Pro, and you enjoy it. I'm super sure you enjoy it. It's super cheap. A cup of coffee, you get it. So it's super cheap. So I'll just click on this down arrow and I'll click on download. It's downloading now. As you can see, preparing my design. Once it's done preparing the design, it should start downloading. So it's not much time. It's super easy, super quick, super fast. As you can see, it's downloaded. So if we go to my folder now, I will see my design. As you can see, this is it here. This is it. So you can see it's super easy to do. Now the next step you need to just do is to go to Redbubble, Match by Amazon, Teespring, and just upload your design to as much markup as possible. But remember, now if you're uploading it, you have to upload with the white background, or you have to upload to a white shirt, you have to upload to a white mug, a white bed sheet, a white sticker. Everything is going to be white because you have the background. That's the issue. But if you want a design without the background, just go for Canva Pro. It's super cheap, about $9 to $12. It's super cheap. A cup of coffee or two and you get Canva Pro, and you can work with your design without background. This kind of design is easy to draw. It does not take you time. Please check on the right, you see some other videos. You can watch my series. I have about 18 to 19 if not 20 episodes up already. Just watch as much as you want. How to design t-shirt design with Photoshop, how to design with Canva. Those are my 2 favorite ways, and you will see all of them. So just click on the playlist up on the right to watch it. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.